Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 14T and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Then let's scroll down and enter the version and localize version number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and enter the code or the pattern to activate it. We've got this information, so now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter system and update. Tap on developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can enable the strict mode, we can show view updates, surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, etc. So all you have to do is to tap on the switcher to turn on the feature. You can tap on it again to turn it off, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. As you can see, most of the options will disappear, and you cannot see the developer options in system and update settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the version number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.